Okay, so this is a Nikon FT that I have in my hand. They comes with like a leather bag of some sort. Not sure, but it's slowly disintegrating, so I don't know, put on my table. See, like sort of come off, but it's like maybe need some wiping or what lah. Don't know, but just show you the camera. The bag comes with lah. So this is the camera itself. Comes with a 51.4, very nice. Take out the glass. Take out the filter to show you the glass later. Okay, so this is the front. This is the back. This is the top, bottom. You see, one side, the other side. Okay, take out the glass. So I'm going to show you the glass twice. Once with the flashlight, the other time without the flashlight, because I just realized that, yeah, see, like the leather case slowly disintegrating, so it comes out this kind of black thing. So this is the glass itself. Looks pretty okay. Okay, later I'll turn on the flash and show you, okay? So the focusing. Focus. Aperture wise. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can activate it here better. Yeah, so you can see the aperture blades. Open and close. Open and close. Yeah, there you go. Okay, for the camera itself, the day I checked, the meter is working. Let me see if I can show you again. Let me take out, put the battery there. Okay, put in the battery already. Show you. Let me see if I can manual focus. See, the meter works. When I press the test button, it moves. Let me adjust the focus. I do manual lah. Okay, so now you can see, right? So yeah, so the meter works, but how accurate I don't know lah. These kind of old cameras. Take out the shutter. Take out the. Open this to show you the shutter itself. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna tune down the shutter of the shutter speed of this camera that I'm using, to show you the firing mechanism of the camera. So you can see it fires. So unfortunately this camera, it's stuck at, it's stuck at 8 shutter. Very unfortunate. Otherwise it's a okay camera, that's why it's stuck on 8. Then 1/4, here's like a manual focus enabled. 1/4 works. 1/2 works. Now it's 1 shutter, which I remember I think it's stuck also, yeah. Really sorry, it's stuck or actually it's not stuck. It works. 1 second. It works in 1 second, so. Okay, let's try bulb mode, see if it works. Yeah, bulb mode works also. So it's only 108. So you can either service it yourself for this or just avoid using 108 if you can. Yeah, sorry, that's all I got for this. So I will show you the glass soon. Show you the glass. Okay, show you the glass now with the torch. The glass looks pretty nice. Show you the other side. Okay, there you go. Thanks everyone. Oh yeah, and this camera also comes with this photocopied manual and this sync cable. Yeah, thanks.